Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve 5x squared minus 20x plus 15 is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's solve the quadratic equation. So our first step is to take, if we take anything common, so we can take 5 as common throughout the equation. So what is left? X squared minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now if I'll divide both sides by 5, so x square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now to solve this quadratic equation, there are multiple methods. You can solve it with quadratic formula or completing the square method, factorization method, which we can say that middle term split method. So I am going to solve it with factorization method. And if you want the solution with another method, you can comment down below. I'll make a separate video on that as well. So we can write this negative 4x as negative 3x negative x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now from first two term, if I'll take x as common, x minus 3, and if I'll take minus 1 as common, x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now x minus 3 is common, so x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now put all the factors, both the factors is equals to 0 to find out the solution. So if x minus 3 is equals to 0, x is equals to 3, and x minus 1 is equals to 0, x is equals to 1. These are the two values of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment on. Thank you so much for watching this video.